Unlocking new horizons, letting go of the past. You can't open new doors while holding the past. Have you ever found yourself holding onto something from your past, unable to move forward? If so, you are not alone. But what if I told you that letting go of the past is the key to unlocking a brighter future? Let's dive into why it's so important to leave the past behind and how to find the courage to move forward. Imagine you are standing in front of a beautiful, expansive room filled with endless possibilities. But there is a problem. You are holding onto a heavy, awkward bag filled with memories, regrets, and mistakes. You can't open the door to the room because your hands are full. This is a metaphor for our lives. We can't open new doors. We can't embrace new opportunities if we are still holding on to the past. Why is it so important to leave the past in the past? The answer is simple. The past is a heavy burden that prevents us from fully experiencing the present and planning for the future. When we cling to past regrets, we rob ourselves of the joy and potential that lies ahead. We become stuck in a cycle of what ifs and if onlys, unable to see the beauty and opportunities right in front of us. But how do we let go? How do we find the courage to move forward? Let's break it down into five major steps that can help you close the doors on the past and unlock a brighter future. Step number one, acknowledge your feelings. The first step is to acknowledge your feelings. It's okay to feel sadness, anger, or regret. These emotions are a natural part of the human experience, but don't let them define you. Instead, use them as a compound for change. Recognize that holding on to the past is a choice and you have the power to make a different one. Step number two, practice forgiveness. Forgiveness is not about condoning what happened, it's about releasing the hold that the past has on you. When you forgive, you free yourself from the chains of resentment and bitterness. You open your heart to healing and growth. Remember, forgiveness is a gift you give to yourself. Step number three, cultivate gratitude. Another powerful tool is gratitude. When we focus on what we are grateful for, we shift our perspective from what's wrong to what's right. Gratitude helps us see the beauty in the present moment and builds a foundation for a positive future. Take a moment each day to reflect on the things you are thankful for. It could be a supportive friend, a beautiful sunset, or a simple act of kindness. Gratitude transforms our mindset and opens our hearts to new possibilities. Step number four, set new goals. Now let's talk about taking action. Moving forward means setting new goals and taking steps toward them. Start small, break your goals into manageable tasks, and celebrate each accomplishment. Every step you take, no matter how small, brings you closer to your dreams. Remember, progress is progress, no matter how slow. Step number five, surround yourself with positivity. Surround yourself with positive influences. Spend time with people who uplifts and inspires you. Seek out mentors, friends and communities that support your growth. Positive relationships can provide the encouragement and accountability you need to keep moving forward. Letting go of the past and moving forward is not always easy, but it is always worth it. When you release the burden of the past, you create space for new experiences, new relationships, and new opportunities. You open the door to a life filled with growth, joy, and fulfillment. So take a deep breath, feel the weight of the past slowly lifting. Know that you have the strength and courage to move forward. Remember, you can't open new doors while holding on to the past, but you can choose to let go, to forgive, and to be grateful and to take action. And in doing so, you will unlock a future brighter than you have ever imagined. I hope this message has inspired you to take the first step towards a better tomorrow. Remember, the past is a part of who you are, but it doesn't have to define you. You have the power to create the life you have always dreamed of. Now go out there and open those doors. The future is waiting.